Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Filing taxes can seem intimidating, but TurboTax makes it incredibly simple and completely free if you know where to look. Step 1. First, you need to understand which TurboTax product is actually free. TurboTax offers a free edition specifically for simple tax situations. If you're filing a 1040 form with standard deductions and basic income, you qualify. Head to TurboTax.com and look for the free edition option, not their paid tiers. Step 2. Next, gather all your important documents before you start. You'll need your Social Security number, any W-2 forms from employers, 1099 forms for side income, and records of deductions if you itemize. Having everything ready makes the process way faster. Step 3. Create your TurboTax account by entering your email and setting a password. This protects your information and lets you save your progress. Make sure to use a strong password you'll remember. Step 4. Now input your personal information carefully. Enter your full legal name, current address, filing status, and dependent information. Double-check spelling and numbers because mistakes can delay your refund. Step 5. Follow the guided interview questions that walk you through your tax situation. TurboTax asks simple yes or no questions and imports data when possible. Answer honestly and completely, and the software calculates everything for you automatically.